Hi, I'm Asadullah Chaudhary and welcome to PMP for Strategic Project Manager question and answer series. In this video, I have a very innovative question for you. And when I say innovative, this concept is itself an innovation. Why design thinking is important for project managers? When we think of design thinking, we always think of innovation. And when we think of innovation, we say we are creating something new, we are disrupting something, we are making some breakthrough thing. But it does not, somehow people are unable to relate it to the project management. But when I say design thinking, it's not basically the creating of a new product or creation of a new product. It is basically the mindset that as a project manager you need to employ. And basically when you say design thinking, it's asking lot of related questions. Like I am asking you a lot of questions and giving you the answers. Same way a project manager needs to employ design thinking, especially during the time of requirement gathering, that how he questions the requirements from stakeholders and understand their needs and expectations. So if you understand this concept, then you understand that discussing or gathering the requirements and expectation and need is a very, very critical factor for the success of your project. If you want to apply design thinking in your projects, then please do join our PMP for Strategic Project Manager workshop. Thank you.